Hi, this is Vicki Walker from ExpertVillage. Today I'll be demonstrating how to make a butterfly chair cover. I'll be using a pattern for the purpose of this demonstration. I could have traced the old chair cover and tried to make one myself, but for the purpose of getting a good fit, I've decided to use this pattern. Choices of fabric might be broadcloth or canvas, something that would be durable to stand the test of time, because these chairs will be used a lot by children through the years. Choices of fabric for a den or another room in the house might be something like an animal print cover. For a little boy's room, you might want to consider camouflage or an animal print like this one with the ducks on it. For a little girl's room, they might like something like a gingham, as long as it was a sturdy enough cotton fabric, or something like the furry fabric that little girls like in their rooms. For the purpose of this demonstration, I'll be using denim. This chair will be used in a game room, and it will definitely need to be sturdy because children will be using this to watch video games and hanging out to watch television. This demonstration should give you a good idea of the best way to make a butterfly chair cover.